Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is just a simple tutorial on how to make these paper fern branches out of cardstock. So I do have a Cricut machine to help cut out all of the leaves. If you don't have one, you obviously can cut it out by hand. It's just going to take a lot longer, so this is a very Cricut based tutorial. Okay, so if you do have a Cricut machine, I did upload the PNG into a link down below. You can go ahead and download that and upload it to Design Studio and then just cut that out. Now, if you're going to cut this out by hand, may it be scissors or an X-Acto knife, you can easily just print this out as well and then just trace it on cardstock and then cut it out by hand. So I went ahead and uploaded the image into Design Studio. You're going to upload both pages and then double cut that. So I'm going to go ahead and just weed out the images here, and I'm going to peel all the ferns off of my Cricut mat. Okay, so this is really important. What I do is I actually lay down all the leaves to see how I want to arrange them onto one stem. And so basically I have 3 of the smaller ones on top, and then I have the leaves going down on each side, ascending in size. So there's a couple ways to glue this to the floral stems. I did the tape runners, I also did a hot glue gun, but my favorite way to do it is to use this tacky glue. So it's almost like Elmer's glue, but it dries a lot faster. This way it can give you a little bit more shape to work with, but enough time to place the floral stems onto the leaves. So what I did was I placed a strip of glue right in the center of each leaf. And then I take a wired stem and I place it right on the leaf, and you kind of want to bend it a little bit so that it matches the shape of the leaf. Okay, so now it's time to put the leaves together. I really wish I had brown floral tape. It would have looked so much better, but I sadly only have white floral tape and I don't want to go out and buy new ones. So here we are. I start from the very top with the 3 smallest leaves first. I bunch them together and then I wrap the floral tape around. Then I keep wrapping down the floral wire for about 1 inch, maybe 2 inches, depending on how far apart you want them. Bend the leaves a little bit just to see what it looks like. Sometimes if it's not long enough, then it's too crowded. Just play around with it a little bit. Then I take the next 2 larger leaves and I place it on each side of the main middle stem that we have already created from the smaller ones on top. And I repeat again with the next larger set of leaves and then the final set of leaves. Once I finished with the last set of leaves, I went ahead and just wrapped the rest of the floral wire with my floral tape. I also made a couple of smaller ones too, which composes of either 3 leaves or 5 leaves, because you don't want all of your leaves to be large and big. You want some little ones in there too. So this is what the large fern looks like, and this is one of the smaller ones that I made as well. And I'm going to go ahead and attach the smaller fern to the larger fern, and I'm just going to start with using some tape first so that it really sticks, because they can get a little top heavy. Then I wrap both of them together with the rest of my floral tape. And I ended up with one big beautiful branch here. Of course, you're gonna have to make a couple more just to fill out a vase, but I mean, if you want just one, that's totally fine as well. A couple of weeks ago, I was so lucky and scored these 2 beautiful vases from the thrift store. I think they were like $3.75 each, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place my branches in there. So each one of the vase has about 3 fern branches that are in there, and I just think it is just so beautiful. I do love the translucent look of the vase as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you can do me a huge favor, like, subscribe, and comment, or don't, that's fine too. My feelings won't be hurt. By the way, I'm starting to run out of DIY ideas for some reason. If you have any DIY requests, whether it's home decor or even sewing, please just shoot a comment down below. I would love to make a tutorial for you, but I would also love to make something different for myself as well. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next week. Bye!